Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Alan Rosen.
We're going to look at Module 1, which is located here under Content. In Module 1, you complete the pretest. Each answer is worth 6 points. Here's our pretest document. You can download the word processing document and fill that in. Place your name. What are the advantages of using AutoCAD? And this is in the textbook, Chapter 1. What's your experience with interior design? Your drafting experience with CAD? Why are you taking the class and what would you like to learn? And what you'll do is you'll complete that information, go to the assignments folder, and you will submit that here as the pretest. And we'll go over the submitting procedures as we go through and we look at the other chapter as well. So what you'll do is you'll click on the Dropbox and you will submit that. Back to our content area, Module 1. Chapter 1 learning objectives are to go through going from drafting to CAD, getting familiar with AutoCAD workspaces, working with toolbars, getting help, etc. And here's our YouTube video outlining the chapter. We have a PowerPoint. And in the PowerPoint, you can either view it. Here we put them in as PDFs, and we're going to talk about introduction to the AutoCAD interface. And so as we work with AutoCAD, our objectives are to be able to use the AutoCAD interface. And then the steps that are involved with working with AutoCAD. And so this is a great PowerPoint on the graphics windows and the drawings and some of the options that we can go through and set. Being able to change the dialog box colors, working with the application menu, and ways to input the AutoCAD commands. And so as we work with AutoCAD, we'll put these PowerPoint lectures in there, which just give you more graphical information on how to work with AutoCAD. You're not assessed on whether you saw this and went through it, but essentially you'll be assessed on the projects that are turned in. This is supportive information to explain things like the coordinate system, visual styles, and how to navigate. So in Module 1, we have a PowerPoint with the interface. And then we have a video lecture that goes through the testing material. And so the video is right here. And essentially, I'd go through and outline the topics in the chapter. Module 1, CAD-134 Basic Auto is also here as we start to work with it. And then, so this is basically an outline of the textbook and the lecture. And if you follow the bouncing yellow information, we explain to you the drafting techniques. Okay. Al, is there anything else that we want to talk about in Module 1 before I go to Module 2?
No, not at all. You might want to cover a little bit of VPN and just touch it over a little bit so you know what it is.
Thanks. So the VPN, and maybe you can talk about it, Alan. I can push the buttons.
Okay. If you click on I open VPN users, what this is from John Wade. He's a fantastic person for IT department. So anyways, you can also get a laptop if you need one. You can afford one. They will loan one out to you. If not, you can download information about how to set up a VPN for your house itself. So if you can't download the software or you're using a Mac and the Mac software is not working how you like it because we're on Windows, you can then download that and just use it. So if you go back over here and go down to where it says the desktops, thank you. These show you how to connect all to your different kind of machines. The global protect comes up and it comes up to the bottom right hand corner of your screen later on. And all you can do is click on that after you load up your software and starts up. This will give you a connection. You log in, put your name in there, password in there, and it automatically senses your connection to Open's connection. It will then ask you to pick out a source, which is a Skokie campus. It will ask you for a room. You will then pick out a room. It will also ask for security. It asks you for software and a phone or password to the phone, so you know it's you. Okay, and there it goes. You can also download or remove it later on when you're finished with it. This works for all software that's loaded on the server at Oakton Community College. Displays or Skokie does not make a difference. So if we're working on, let's say, ABC software, and tomorrow we're working on XYZ, or your other class has this other software, you don't have to keep on downloading all the different ones. You connect right into Open's server and work on it as you're right here.
Thank you, Al. And if you have any difficulty with the VPN, call the help desk and they can assist you anytime to help walk you through that. All right, continuing on, let's take a look at Module 2. So we'll go here to our content section in Module 2. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm also going to stop the video and restart the recording for Module 2 so that we keep these small and manageable. All right, Al, turn on your monitor. Let's start the video for 3 or for Module 2.